Hey, what's up guys? Got a good one for you today. In this one, I'm going to be showing you two different methods that you can use to get a carbon fiber finish. Along with making the Deathstroke helmet, I wanted to try something just a little bit different to actually bring his Arkham Knight helmet to life. Let's get to it.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Alright guys, so now down to the nitty gritty. We're getting down to the ending and we're getting down to the main point of this video, where I actually get to test the two different carbon fibers finishes to see which one I like best and which one you guys like best as well. So I have two different types. The first one is going to be what you mainly see people use on cars. I know a lot of people get their cars wrapped. When they do, they're using this kind of material here. Now there are different types of wraps. This one is just going to be like a peel and stick. So as you can see, like that white film that's under, I'm just pretty much gonna have to peel that back. And then the carbon fiber itself, I'm gonna be able to layer right over the prop. And then it comes with this smoother that I can use to smooth it. Some of these wraps do come in different forms. So some of them you'll get like a spray adhesive that you have to put on first. And then you apply the wrap. And then with a heat gun, you're able to seal it down and stretch, so on and so forth. But luckily at AutoZone, I found this one, which is very useful, where all I have to do is just peel something off and then just attach it like that. Now, I'm not sponsored for either one of these products, but Duplicolor on Amazon actually has this carbon fiber kit. This one I was really looking forward to using because I feel like it's gonna be something different. It's gonna be fun, something cool to show you guys. So it comes with this film here. So as you see on one of the Deathstroke helmets, it actually has like a carbon fiber type of finish. So I'm gonna be using this kit on that one. So what I'll do is basically put this mesh over each of that layer, and then it comes with two different types of spray paint, as you can hear. So the first one is going to be like a metallic base coat that you put on. After you set that metallic base coat, what you'll do is add this film over the prop, and then there's like a black effects type of color that comes behind that. So that's going to be pretty cool, showing you guys the two processes of the carbon fiber wrap and the carbon fiber spray, and see which one comes out better. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like better before I actually get to do these, and then let me know what you guys like better after you see the final effect in the comments. I'm kind of going a little bit more with this one just because I want to do this one a lot more. This you've seen, like I said, on a lot of different vehicles, so this is going to be fun as well, but my bets are going to be going with the Duplicolor set. We'll see what happens at the end, but for that, stay tuned. Let's get into it. I love these two guys. The difference between the two are just like beautiful. I love the gold on this one just as much as I love the orange, the way that this orange came out. The carbon fiber wrap, I'm gonna have to say definitely won in the competition, just because the effects of the spray paint didn't really come through. It did work, definitely did work, as you can see through the video. You can see some of the effects, but I think since this already had like the carbon fiber type ribbing to it, you kind of need like more of a flatter surface in order to see everything pop out. But I was still able to use, just like with the regular filament, I used some acrylic paints and repainted the silver again and still kind of gave it that final look there. I love both of them. Like I said, this gold came out perfect and so did this fire orange. The vinyl wrap for a first timer, yes, there are some like little lumps and spots over here, and I was using like not the biggest roll of carbon fiber wrap, so it wasn't the widest. Of course, if I had something wider than this, I could have like stretched over the whole helmet and then cut out the pieces that I needed. But for this one, I had to like make sections of it. Shout outs to anybody that does any wrapping of vehicles, anything like that, because you definitely need a lot of patience for it. It's a lot of heating up the material, stretching, especially with a lot of the accents and curves in this helmet. It did get a little bit challenging, but I stuck through to it. And again, let me know in the comments what you guys think for a first timer. This thing came out cool. It was, again, fun to try these two different methods out. These helmets are from, if you don't know, from Arkham Knight, the video game of Batman, both DC inspired. As far as the colors, I knew this gold would hit smack on. If you look at Dude 3D, it's like this same gold looks like spot on with the file that they have on their site. I tested it out in my earlier video with the Green Goblin Pumpkin Bomb, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely check that one out. I added some LEDs to make that one light up. Beautiful. And for this one I knew this one would work as well because I tried it out with in an older video of Obito's mask. I don't think I recorded when I did this one. This one was probably still when I had my Ender 3, so that was a long time ago. It's probably a couple of years old now. But I knew that those two would definitely work and come out looking beautiful. I was thinking of using some graphite powder on these side accents as well, just to dingy them up a little bit. But I think that they came out perfect just as is. As always, guys, if you liked the video, definitely hit the like button. If this is something that inspired you, or if you're gonna try this yourself, definitely hit the share button as well, because you never know who else this can help. Trust me, with this vinyl wrap, they'll definitely need the help. And then as always, hit the subscribe button so that way you can stay tuned, and hit the bell notification, that way you know exactly when I post. Besides that, guys, it's BZ Comics. I'm gonna go nerd out for these two. I'm out. I don't know which one I should wear to end the video. I like them both. I like that too, the snapping effect, that way they switch. Thank you if you always stay this late. I have Flash's helmet coming out next. I'm trying to get that one done and out after the trailer comes. It's pretty much the same thing that I did for the Blue Beetle helmet. Right after the trailer day, I then posted up the video, but I got some cool LED lights for it. These I got off of Amazon. They're not the best. A couple bucks, it is what it is, but they don't shine through, so I'm gonna be using these. Pretty much the same LED lights that I use on Thor's hammer. So if you haven't seen that video and you're still here, then definitely check that as well. Besides that, peace.